Welcome to Learn English Chill.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
I comb my hair before breakfast.
I comb my hair before breakfast.
I eat toast and drink milk.
I eat toast and drink milk.
I pack my school bag carefully.
I pack my school bag carefully.
I wear my school uniform daily. I wear my school uniform daily. I wait for the school bus.
I wait for the school bus.
I talk with friends on the bus.
I talk with friends on the bus.
I walk to class with friends.
I walk to class with friends.
I put my books on the desk.
I put my books on the desk.
I greet my teacher politely.
I greet my teacher politely.
I sit in the fourth row.
I sit in the fourth row.
I open my notebook and pen.
I open my notebook and pen.
I listen to my teacher quietly.
I listen to my teacher quietly.
I write answers in my notebook.
I write answers in my notebook.
I raise my hand to speak.
I raise my hand to speak.
I read aloud with the class. I read aloud with the class. I write on the whiteboard sometimes.
I write on the whiteboard sometimes.
I answer questions from the teacher.
I answer questions from the teacher.
I use a ruler to draw lines.
I use a ruler to draw lines.
I solve math problems every day.
I solve math problems every day.
I learn new vocabulary in English.
I learn new vocabulary in English.
I color maps in geography class.
I color maps in geography class.
I study science with diagrams.
I study science with diagrams.
I take notes during history lessons.
I take notes during history lessons.
I close my book after class.
I close my book after class.
I clean my desk before break.
I clean my desk before break.
I eat snacks during the break.
I eat snacks during the break.
I drink water from my bottle.
I drink water from my bottle.
I laugh with my classmates outside.
I laugh with my classmates outside.
I play football with my friends.
I play football with my friends.
I run races during short break.
I run races during short break.
I talk about games and cartoons.
I talk about games and cartoons.
I go back to class after break.
I go back to class after break.
I open my laptop in computer class.
I open my laptop in computer class.
I type homework on the keyboard.
I type homework on the keyboard.
I watch a video on the screen.
I watch a video on the screen.
I help my friend with homework.
I help my friend with homework.
I cut paper in art class.
I cut paper in art class.
I draw animals with colored pencils.
I draw animals with colored pencils.
I paint pictures of the ocean.
I paint pictures of the ocean.
I listen to music in music class.
I listen to music in music class.
I play the drum with the group.
I play the drum with the group.
I sing songs with my classmates.
I sing songs with my classmates.
I write poems during free time.
I write poems during free time.
I practice spelling with my partner.
I practice spelling with my partner.
I read quietly in the library.
I read quietly in the library.
I borrow a new book weekly.
I borrow a new book weekly.
I return books on time always.
I return books on time always.
I write a summary of chapters.
I write a summary of chapters.
I whisper in the library only.
I whisper in the library only.
I take tests during exam week.
I take tests during exam week.
I check my answers before submitting.
I check my answers before submitting.
I wait for my grade patiently.
I wait for my grade patiently.
I feel proud of my effort.
I feel proud of my effort.
I join group discussions happily.
I join group discussions happily.
I share ideas with classmates.
I share ideas with classmates.
I listen when others are talking.
I listen when others are talking.
I clap after presentations end.
I clap after presentations end.
I follow classroom rules strictly.
I follow classroom rules strictly.
I help clean the board sometimes.
I help clean the board sometimes.
I stack chairs after class.
I stack chairs after class.
I put trash in the bin.
I put trash in the bin.
I ask questions if I need.
I ask questions if I need.
I look at the clock often.
I look at the clock often.
I copy homework in my notebook.
I copy homework in my notebook.
I write the date every day.
I write the date every day.
I spell words slowly and carefully.
I spell words slowly and carefully.
I underline important words in red.
I underline important words in red.
I organize papers in a folder.
I organize papers in a folder.
I highlight key points in yellow.
I highlight key points in yellow.
I smile when the bell rings.
I smile when the bell rings.
I wave goodbye to my teacher.
I wave goodbye to my teacher.
I walk to the school bus.
I walk to the school bus.
I sit near the window seat.
I sit near the window seat.
I chat with friends about lessons.
I chat with friends about lessons.
I eat snacks on the way home.
I eat snacks on the way home.
I watch clouds from the bus window.
I watch clouds from the bus window.
I thank the driver politely. I thank the driver politely. I remove my shoes at home.
I remove my shoes at home.
I change clothes before relaxing.
I change clothes before relaxing.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
I eat lunch with my family.
I eat lunch with my family.
I rest for a short time.
I rest for a short time.
I start doing my homework.
I start doing my homework.
I read my notes before dinner.
I read my notes before dinner.
I revise lessons for tomorrow.
I revise lessons for tomorrow.
I write my diary in the evening.
I write my diary in the evening.
I talk about school with parents.
I talk about school with parents.
I prepare my uniform for tomorrow.
I prepare my uniform for tomorrow.
I sharpen my pencils before bedtime.
I sharpen my pencils before bedtime.
I keep my bag near the desk.
I keep my bag near the desk.
I charge my tablet for class.
I charge my tablet for class.
I set my alarm for morning.
I set my alarm for morning.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I brush my teeth before bed.
I say goodnight to my family.
I say goodnight to my family.
I turn off the bedroom light.
I turn off the bedroom light.
I lie down and close my eyes.
I lie down and close my eyes.
I sleep early on school nights.
I sleep early on school nights.
Thanks for watching.